Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with yet another informative video for you all. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon in order to receive all our updates regularly and instantly. So dear all, we are pleased to inform you that Wipro is hiring 2021 batch students and we are here to give you some details about the same to you. This is a small introduction information about Wipro. Wipro, it doesn't need any special introduction, as you know that it is one of India's largest IT companies, and in order to get more details about them, you may visit their website, which is www.wipro.com. Yes, so recently they have announced that they are hiring 2021 batch students through their WILP 2021 event. So let's see what is this WILP event. WILP stands for Work Integrated Learning Program. Okay, it will give you a chance to build a career, remarkable career at Wipro while pursuing your PG, that is MTech degree from a premier institute, and that degree, that education will be sponsored to you by Wipro. So you need not pay anything. It will be all sponsored by Wipro, and at the same time you will also be working for Wipro and building and excelling in your career. So this is the eligibility for WILP 21 event of Wipro. 2021 batch students of BSc Computer Science, IT, Mathematics, Statistics, Electronics and Physics and BCA, they are eligible to apply for this particular program of Wipro. As far as the stipend is concerned, you will start earning stipend right from the first year itself, and this is the plan that they have mentioned on their website, which is 15,000. When you start working for them for the first year, you are paid 15,000 plus ESI amount, and it goes on increasing every year, and in fourth year you will be earning close to 23,000 rupees per month. This is the selection process. The selection process will consist of 3 rounds. First is online assessment, online test of 18 minutes duration. And once you are able to clear this online test, then you will have technical interview and HR interview. As far as online test is concerned, this is going to be the pattern. The aptitude test. Within the online test, you will have an aptitude test which will be based on verbal, analytical and quantitative skills. Okay, I repeat, the aptitude test will be based on verbal skills, analytical skills and quantitative skills, and each section will be consisting of 20 questions and it will be for 20 minutes. Okay, so 60 questions in all for 60 minutes, and aptitude test will be followed by the written communication test of remaining 20 minutes. So these are the 2 sections in the online test: aptitude test and written communications test. So these are the important dates so that you won't miss any of them. The last date to apply for this program is 10th December 2020, and the online test is going to be tentatively conducted between 14th December to 18th December 2020. So I repeat, the last date to apply for this particular program is 10th December 2020, and the online test is likely to be conducted between 14th December to 18th December 2020. So in order to get more details about this program and to apply for it, do visit this particular site, which is bit.ly/wipro-21. I repeat, bit.ly/wipro-21. bit.ly/wipro-21. So do visit this URL. There you will get all the details, more details, and you can apply there itself for this particular program of Wipro. So thank you so much, guys. I hope that you have been watching all our videos and you are finding them useful for you. If you are willing to get upgraded in your technical skills, do consider joining or enrolling for full stack Java developer or .NET developer testing course at Profound EduTech, and not only quality trainings, but you will also get 100% guaranteed placement support. These are the snapshots of the most popular courses at Profound EduTech. On the left hand side, you can see our full stack Java developer course, and on the right side, we have similarly advanced diploma in software testing course. Do visit our website www.profoundedutech.com. There you will find all the details of our courses, their contents, etc. These are the highlights of our courses. Yes, all the trainings, they are live trainings conducted by expert trainers. We follow hands-on approach because ultimately your practical knowledge matters the most when you will be working in the IT industry. Whatever you learn, you are going to implement it on real-world projects with internship. And we also offer daily exclusive campus drives to our trained students. Every week we arrange around 7-8 campus drives. Every month we arrange around 30-35 campus drives for our Java, testing, .NET, Python students. So in order to get such more updates about our trainings, workshops, campus drives, various jobs, etc., please be in touch with us. We are available on Facebook. We have 50,000 plus likes to our Facebook page. Do like us on Facebook page in order to receive all our updates. Also, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we are also available on Telegram. And as far as website is concerned, www.profoundedutech.com is our website. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you with yet another one soon. Thank you so much.